Hey y'all, it's your girl Jaqueline Nicole and I'm back with another video. If you are new here, welcome. You're gonna love it here. If you are not, then welcome back. So as y'all can tell by the title, as of right now I don't know what the title of this video is gonna be because I'm just excited that I got my camera. So I know y'all been wondering like where I been, where is she been at? I have not posted, y'all. Like I don't even know. Let me tell y'all how long it's been since I actually posted a video. It's been a month. It's been a month since I posted a video, and my last video was my maintenance vlog. So that maintenance vlog I recorded was a preparation for Valentine's Day and a trip that I was going on. But let me just catch y'all up. So basically, I know y'all been wondering what I've been at, and basically what had happened was my camera broke. I was out of town. I was going to Atlanta. Well, I did go to Atlanta. I got a little bit of footage of on the road. We went to our first gas station stop and all of that, and then we made it to Atlanta probably around like 3 a.m. I want to say, and made it to the room, recorded the room. I'm gonna put all the footage that I got so far, what I had got at the time before I get into this video, but I'm gonna put all that footage in here and show y'all everything I got. But once I did the room tour, I was talking and then all of a sudden my camera just fell out my hand and it broke, and it was bringing up an error saying like lens error, meaning like I jammed the lens, so the camera wasn't powering on because I jammed it. So that was like February 17th, February 15th, 16th, 18. It was one of those days that I had first went to Atlanta. I think it was the 17th, that Friday. So my camera broke while I was out of town, and I did not vlog. I didn't have my camera, like it was broken. I can't vlog on my phone because my phone has no storage. But I'm back, y'all. I got a replacement camera. I had to do a lot of stuff, like it was a lot going on, but I finally got it. I'm back in action. I missed y'all. I know y'all missing me. I know y'all was like, what a girl at? What a video? What a vlog? Y'all know I'll be coming with vlogs. But I'm back and I'm better. We got a new camera. They sent me a new, let me show y'all. They sent me a new camera battery. I didn't know I was gonna get all this. I just thought I was gonna get a new camera. But they sent me a new camera battery and a camera charger. So I don't know which one of these are my old ones. Maybe, I don't know. But this is the new one or whatever, or the old one. Then the new one or the old one is in the camera for the battery. And then so now your girl got two. You got two, so you ain't got to never worry about me saying my camera died out in public. I got two batteries, I got two chargers, I got a lot of SD cards. So we is back in action, y'all, and I'm so excited, y'all. I'm so excited. But let's get into this video. First, I'm gonna show y'all the footage from what I had on my way to my trip. And I still got the footage on where I broke my camera. Like, it's all on there. I'm gonna show y'all that, so let's take a look.
You know I am who they say I want to be. Yeah, you know you gotta win. Yeah, the light not on.
What? Y'all sitting here and chilling all nice for you, baby.
What's catching? You can't hide it, ain't no secret.
Go get them. Them your keys, man. Hey y'all, it's your girl Jaqueline Nicole and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. You're gonna love it here. If you are not, welcome back. As you can tell by the title, y'all, I'm not trying to get copyrighted. As you can tell by the title, I am going out of town. So I'm doing a mini drive, like a 5-hour drive from where I live to Atlanta. So right now we're at the gas station taking our first break. It's 9:39. It is Friday, February 17th. And we're gonna be here for 3 days. We're coming back on the 19th. So we're on our way there now. It says we're gonna get there around 2 a.m. like 1:50 something.
Legit though.
What?
My lils. I think I got it.
Here you go, $4.
She good.
You want your receipt? Yeah. Pretty. Like myself.
I'm steady sipping and I keep back to back. I'm smoking cigarettes. Everybody walking up. They bust a nigga head when it's over. That shit was the same ass nigga. That used to sleep on my mama couch.
Thanks. Oh, this the 700. This is cute.
Who's sleeping in here though? I really had this little corner right here.
Cute shower.
Here. It must be just expensive shit. Let me smell it. Oh, it smell like lemon meringue. And it's been used. Baby, come on, apply.
It's been used.
Mm-hmm.
They ain't refill it.
Look how low that is.
And we put it on the camera so we can say we got proof. You can't even see it.
Look, what's that on there? Man, what's that? Clean up in here good enough. Use Q-tips in here and shit.
The little keys is cute.
It's a stop sign. Stop sign.
It literally is a stop sign. Let's look at the view. It's a nice view.
What these is? K-Pods?
What?
Coffee. What kind of coffee you like, baby?
Caramel.
This dry eating.
They got brunch and breakfast and dinner.
You like espresso?
The bar is open from 4 to 10. Look at this!
Why is she too it's just right there.
This too cute.
Like,
They got a little setup.
We need to get, like, tell them to give up room without the TV and shit. We need to lower it.
What's this? Oh, the channel. I thought this was gonna be like some room service.
We finna find something. I ain't even cheap.
Look, it's dirty up in here. They ain't cleaning it.
Somebody like that head on. Motherfucker in a little bit.
It needs to be a little fluffier. I don't know, man. This
Good shit.
This kind of disappointed me for the price that we paid.
So that means we should have expanded our range on the Airbnb then.
Literally.
We could have had some good little 700 in there.
That extra 150 shit just blew me though, cause like they don't. Give me peso extendo. I can't read, but just
I need to find something to wear to match. Kiss it. Ew.
You kissed it for real? Okay, y'all, so now that I showed y'all that horrible experience that I had with my camera, like I told y'all, I'm back in action. We better, we good. I don't know what the name of this title gonna be, but I know I'm getting my nails done today. Y'all know my bestie does my nails all the time. I have a new wig. I'm thinking about doing a wig review, maybe like a separate video. I don't know if I want to go do my hair. I don't know if I want to go get it done, but y'all, we got a wig. So that's another story. That's another one. We just gonna see what happens after this. I don't even know what's gonna happen. We just gonna see. Might be 2 videos, might be 1 video, might be a TikTok. I don't know. Make sure y'all go follow me on my Instagram at KAYYMULAAA Kmula. TikTok, same thing. Instagram, all of that, you know. I'm gonna put it on the screen. But make sure y'all follow me on all my social medias just to catch up with me, be updated with me, know where everything was. Because if you follow me on Instagram or my Snapchat, you know I broke my camera. So yeah, but good, life is good. Life has been good. I'm in school again. Like everything is going great. And yeah, but like I was saying, I don't know what this title is going to be, so I just know I'm getting my nails done today. I'm about to go get me some food. I don't know from where, because I am starving, y'all. I'm so hungry. I didn't even give y'all the day. I didn't even give y'all the time. Like, I just got on here talking. So you guys, it's 12:47. Today is March 20th. No, it's not. Yes, it is. It's March 20th. It's 12:47 in the afternoon. I'm about to go get me some food. I don't know from where. Maybe Chipotle, or I might just go grab me some quick and easy to eat. I don't know. We're gonna see in the next clip, but I just know I'm getting my nails done and I'm doing my hair, or I might go get my hair done. We don't know. We gonna see how this go. We're gonna see how it go. We're just gonna go with the flow, basically. And definitely got to get my eyebrows done and my lashes. So it's kind of not gonna be a maintenance vlog, because I'm still bringing y'all along with me, and I just did a maintenance vlog, so it's probably gonna be like life update, come with me, catch up with me, something like that. But let's go ahead and get some food, y'all, because I'm hungry. We got the tote bags today. We got the pink hats. We got the, you see it, fear of God. We got on some black little things, and then I got on my Crocs. Go with the flow. I'm finna go ahead and listen to my music. I'm finna go ahead and head to the bank and to Starbucks, and I'm gonna see y'all when I get there.
They say was slut though. He got 2 headshots where he got rushed for. Bagging up the mouse, we do the mouse job. Freeze it look like I'm in a clone. Wanna see you get my sassy. Leave a part of my Instagram, because I have not vlogged in so long, y'all. Already
oh my god, y'all, this man, oh my god, this homeless man really took the Obamacare sign out of the grass and wrote on the back and said he was homeless and need money. Like really, dude? Not taking the sign. Some homeless people go get their own sign, make their own sign, get a cardboard. Like, he took the sign and there himself.
Sorry about that, please.
I'm gonna stand.
Just give me 1 moment, okay?
And y'all know I get, if you don't know, now you know, I get a strawberry acai refresher with apple juice only and light ice. I don't want none of the lemonade. I don't want none of the water, because it's nasty. Like, and I'm not really a lemonade fan. Like, I'm not big on lemonade. Like, I'll drink a strawberry lemonade, but like a regular lemonade or anything, like, catch up with y'all when I'm back at home getting my nails done. So I'll see y'all soon.
It's knocking on your door and you're waiting on me, baby. Won't you hold me close? Baby, I'll go wherever you go, even if it means that I'm on the road tonight.
Hey y'all, it's a few hours later. Of course, it is currently 7:36. My camera is really dark. I think it's the setting that I have it on, but it's okay. I'm just gonna tell y'all what I'm gonna do. But I am finished with my nails. For one, I think I I think I showed y'all my nails already. If not, I'm definitely gonna insert the clip because you definitely can't see it right here. But we're finished with my nails. It's like I said, it's 7:36 in the afternoon or at night, and I'm on my way to go get me some Chipotle because I'm starving. I'm so freaking hungry. I just ordered my food online. I'm gonna go pick it up now. It should be done around 7:40, so I'm on my way to go get that now. Y'all got me a good bowl, and I'm gonna show y'all everything when I get there. But other than that, that's gonna be a wrap for tonight. I still don't know what I want to title the video, but I know it's gonna be about 2-3 days for this video, or like a 2-day video. We're gonna see. We'll see by the title of this video. But I'm gonna catch up with y'all when I get to Chipotle, and I'm gonna show y'all everything I got, and I'm gonna show y'all when I get there.
Several days later.
What's 7052? Yep.
Cool. I'm gonna get it checked in.
Okay.
I'll be the first person to do that.
Yes, all the time.
What will happen? Sounds like a good year. $26.34.
Okay. Do you guys take Apple Pay?
I don't know if there's some kind of multitasking, but just box that.
I gotta get it right. You're touching this body of mine. You wanna be a good friend of me. Why don't you put that Hennessy? Light up if you're busy, we can get high. Hey, no need to rush, but take your time.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Jakayla, and I'm back. It's a few days later. It is like a day later, 2 days later. Yeah, it's Wednesday. I think the last time I talked to y'all was on Monday. Excuse how I look. I'm definitely getting my hair done. Before I get into it, y'all, I don't know how I'm gonna put it, but you probably have already seen a previous clip from today. I was at the tire shop because my tire has a nail in it. Well, it had a nail in it, and I just kept replacing it to get air in it. And then the last time I went, he was like, oh yeah, you got a nail in your tire. And I was like, the last time I came here, the guy told me it looked fine, but whatever. So they replaced it for me. It was free, so they replaced it for me, and they told me I needed new windshield wipers because they was like split it in half. And I was like, sure, y'all go ahead and get that. So I got new windshield wipers too. I just got out of school. It is 2:27. It's Wednesday the 22nd, and I just got out of school around 1:30. I think I got out like 1:35 today. But yeah, we've been doing waxing all day today in class, and it was really, really cool. Like, it was really interesting. Like, I got my underarms done, I got my legs waxed, and all of that. We was just waxing away. We called it Wax Out Wednesday because it's Wednesday, and we was waxing. Hey.
Sin City wasn't made for you. Angels like you. Sin City wasn't made for you. Angels like you. Oh, you know it. 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 Right now. Take that off. I just wanna see you. Your legs so soft. I had to be near you. Thoughts in my mind going so crazy. I just wanna hear you. your body, what I prepared for you, nothing will spare you.
Hey y'all, I didn't even introduce. So I am long gone out of school. I am now at the car wash, as you can tell. 3:52. It's still, you know, early in the day, but I am at the car wash now because my car needs clean really bad. So
So when I feel the trip coming down, must be in Houston. Just close your eyes, you feel the rise, I go inside. You shooting. Sin City wasn't made for you. Angels like you. Sin City wasn't made for you. Angels like you. Oh, you know it, 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 oh, you know it.